Here we study the subject of industrial engineering management. The industrial engineering is growth from 1920 and it is growth completely in 1960 due to their large advantages and great future. What are the main requirement of this? The man, material, machines are available in the industry. So proper planning is required and it can be done by industrial engineering. They are having different techniques like method study, time study, then motion economy, value analysis, material handling system. These are the various techniques of industrial engineering and also various scopes to decide or to finalize the production capacity, to decide the assembly process like production process, then to decide the equipments and tools. These are the various scopes and objective. In last video, this says the various recording techniques. The recording techniques are charts, graphs, and diagrams. In charts, which can be indicated or divided the activities into five symbols. So, five types of activities mainly, like operation activity, storage activity, delay activity, transportation activities. In a diagram, like a flow diagram or a string diagram, in flow diagram, the activities can be marked on the paper and it can be numbered and it can be connected by arrows. So it can be gives the total activity time and total distance traveled by the operator or material. Then in string diagram, they have known length of string and it can be circulated from all the stations. Then remaining length to minus the remaining length from known length, it gives the total distance traveled by the workers or components. Then new concept, there is a micromotion study. For micromotion study, the basic of micromotion study is the motion economy. Motion economy means to analyze the various motions, various activities of workers to do the work, to do the job. So micromotions require the recording. First, to record all the activities, then cut the activities into small, then to identify some non-valued activities, and these non-valued activities are removed from these. So required micromotion study. Micromotion is the concept to divide all the activities. It can be divided into three steps. First, filming the operation, then analysis of data and recording of data. Filming of operation. For filming purpose, we require a high quality cameras. Here all the activity like loading activity, then machining activity, then inspection activity, unloading activity, all the activities are recorded. Then analysis of data. In the analysis, all the recorded facts are divided into small activities, which can be considered some value added, which can be beneficial for product, some non-value added, which can be only increase the production time. So these non-value added activities are the removed from this all the operations. Also, recording of data. For recording of data, we require SIMO chart. SIMO chart is simultaneous motion analysis chart. Here, all the activities are divided. Like in some of the cases, operator can be moved with material. So, this activity are operator with component. But in some cases, the operator can be only moved for taking the tools, taking the equipments, so it without the components. Though it is a SIMO chart, simultaneous motion analysis chart. Then memomotion. The memomotion activity It is an advance of micromotion activity. In a micromotion activity, we take the video and there is a critical analysis of all the activities. But the video length or total operation length is more than 4 minutes, then use the memomotion instead of micromotions. In memomotion, take simultaneous photographs. The photographs can be adjusted by time. The in memomotion, we take lapse of photographs and some interval of photographs. And these photographs are taken from 1 to 4 minutes. Means photographs take from after 1 minute, 1 minute. So it can be reduce the total length because micromotion having limitations up to 4 minutes. So this memomotion study. This memomotion study, like a micromotion study, these activity are explained in SIMO chart like simultaneous motion analysis chart. Similarly, the memomotion activities are explained in a cycle graph or chronocycle graph. The cycle graph, it is the activity like a memomotion where it takes the photographs, but it can be continuous photographs. So it can be indicated by continuous path which can be shows after each activity there is a next activity, but it cannot be indicated. It can be only indicate the direction of activity, but it cannot be show the speed of activity. Means from first operation to second operation, what are the speed, what are the duration. If there is a gap between two operations is large, then there is a slow activity. Here the chronocycle graph. The chronocycle graph, it is the advanced version of memomotion. Memomotion takes the photographs, but it can be shows the direction of photographs, also the activity, that is speed of activity. If the distance between two dots, these are the photograph 1, 2, 3, 4, vice versa, and if there is a distance between two dots is small, that is active speed of activity is high. If activity number 2 and 3, there is a gap between two dots is more, then it can be indicates that the speed of activity is higher. So these are the two techniques we take the memomotion study. So here in this video we study about micromotion study and memomotion study. In micromotion study, we take the video recording of all the activities, and then activities can be divided into number of parts, and it can be analyzed by simultaneous motion analysis chart. So here we give the advantage and disadvantage of these activities, micromotion activities and memomotion activities. In micromotion activities, it can be good, it can be complete description of all activities, but important limitation is it can be possible or it can be suitable only for up to 4 minutes of operations, but it can be indicates only direction of activity, it cannot be give the speed of operation. In memomotion most important advantage is when there is a large activities and there is a continuous activity. If there is a 2 hours, 3 hours, if we take the video of this, it cannot be possible to work continuously for number of shift or complete 8 hours shift. So we take the memomotion is the most advantage. But some of the disadvantage in the memomotion study, if we take the number of photographs like 30 photographs, 40 photographs for 1 hour, but it can be possible to check only one job. When with change in job, change in shift or change in workers, it cannot be possible to repeat the same activities by another worker for same job. So these are the one of the disadvantage in memomotion study. So here we study about memomotion, and also some of the disadvantage. If worker can be changed for same job, so worker another worker it cannot be identified repeat the activities.